What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning back in. If you're watching this video, you probably bought one of AYCustoms headlight smoke out, tint film, eyebrows, or whatever you want to call it. The installation process on this is quite easy. What you're going to need is one of these, which you would have gotten in your package. It comes with a tint film and a backing to it. Now this one I already took off, so it's not stuck to it, but if you guys got one, it should be stuck onto the paper. And installation will take no more than 5 minutes, I promise. So what you're gonna need are, number one, the tint film, number two, a card, or if you want to use a credit card, I have this plastic squeegee looking card thing where you can use any card out there. It could be a Bevmo rewards card, it could be a Ralph's card, whatever. And the next thing is preferably a bottle of water with 1 drop of dishwashing soap. And I'll explain to you why we need that dishwashing soap in a few minutes, but you basically just want to add 1 drop of dishwashing soap, fill it up with water, shake it up, and be able to spray it onto the headlight. All right, so to start, first of all, what we want to do is clean your headlight. I used a glass cleaner. You can use Windex or anything similar. Make sure that it's very clean. And also on the tint film, when you guys get it in the packaging, if there is any type of dust or whatever, make sure you give it a nice wipe to make sure that all the dust and debris are removed. All right, now next what you're gonna want to do is get your spray bottle here and just wet the headlight. You don't need to spray excess water. I just did 3 sprays. And what you're gonna do now is to peel off the tint. And as you can see, these are all hand cut, made in the USA, high quality tint films. They are removable in case you ever need to take them off. Just peel them off, okay? Now what you're gonna wanna do now is to basically line up this trim with the black part of your headlight. All right, now the reason why we want to use soap water is because, well, first of all, here's that black line I was talking about. What you're gonna want to do is just to basically aim it so that it follows the black all the way down to the edge. All right, now once you're happy with the fitment, what you're gonna want to do next is to get your plastic card here and simply just squeegee out the water. As you're doing this, it will basically set the tint into place. And make sure you have a towel handy and just basically wipe off the excess water. And as you're going, you'll see all this water kind of just coming out of the film. Continue to wipe, go all the way to the end. And same thing for the top, okay? And there you have it. So make sure you get all of the excess water out. There's no air bubbles or anything on here. If you want to just give it a few more goes, just to make sure that all the water is on there, you'll notice that it's stuck on there. Now the reason why I said 1 drop of soap water is because that way when you put the tint on, you can actually move it around to the position that you like. All right, now here's the finished product, and as you can see, it gives it quite an aggressive look. It covers the white part on the headlight, and it fits perfectly. And also at nighttime, it will leave you 1 bright LED strip of light, similar to BMW's Angel Eyes, except it's just a strip of white on the side. All right, well, thank you guys for watching, and please continue to check back for new products released by AY Customs.